Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Zane, and today we will be having a look at 1inch, the decentralized exchange aggregator. Now, what exactly is 1inch? It's a hub for decentralized liquidity. 1inch is an exchange aggregator that scans decentralized exchanges to find the lowest cryptocurrency price for traders. So as an example, if you're trying to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, whatever you're trying to buy, 1inch essentially provides you with the cheapest source to buy your given cryptocurrency. So that's actually quite useful in the market and in the world of blockchain. Now, this is all powered by its 1inch utility and governance token. 1inch is used to furnish the platform's decentralized instance governance model and facilitate liquidity mining through token staking. Now, that's just a quick look at 1inch, but today we're going to go through a price analysis and price prediction of the token. We're going to assess if this token can get to $5, $10, possibly before the end of the year. Obviously, we're in a very bearish market right now, but for 1inch, I'm extremely bullish. We'll also go throughout some of the latest updates in the ecosystem. Aggregator 1inch expands to Fantom network, which is huge, by the way. The layer 1 blockchain protocol would afford 1inch user efficiency transaction and deeper liquidity, said co-founder Sojets Kuntz. Now, it's like I said, we're currently in a bearish market, to be quite honest with you. It's no secret, and I'm not sugarcoating it for you. Now, the token, 415 million in circulating supply and 1.5 billion in total supply. So that's quite good. That's quite interesting. But I definitely think it has the potential to get to $10. The question is, what can it do this year, and what can it do in the next couple of months, in the months of May and June next month? Well, because we're in a bearish market, the market is going down a lot. I mean, Bitcoin has hit $35,000, so that's quite significant. Now, of course, whenever Bitcoin goes low, this affects the entire market. There's no secret to that. Now, some of the products that 1inch offers is obviously the dApp platform itself. And as for protocol, they've got aggregator protocol, limit order protocol, and liquidity protocol. Now, 1inch is run by a DAO, a decentralized organization that governs the 1inch network. So that's quite significant. And the token is also a governance and utility token itself. But there's been plenty of things going on in the 1inch ecosystem, so it's been expanded rapidly. For one, they expand to Fantom, and we will talk about that quite soon. There's also the 1inch wallet that's been launched for Android. 1inch is integrated with the Cool wallet, so that's quite significant. And Transact Fiat on Ramp provider is integrated into the 1inch wallet. This has all been announced in the space of a couple of months, so that's quite significant. But not just that, that's not where it ends. NFT support is added to the 1inch wallet. 1inch adds a P2P feature, 1inch spot price aggregator, and overall review. So take into consideration everything I just said. What does that make you think? Does this seem like it's a platform that continues to develop and expand? Yes, it does. This obviously means that the value of the token will just rise over time by natural. So let's have a look at the Fantom token being added to 1inch. The integration will allow traders to source best execution across Curve, Sato, SushiSwap, and other crypto trading venues in Fantom's cheap Ethereum compatible ecosystem. 1inch network co-founder Sergi said in a press statement, "This means more efficient transactions and higher liquidity for users of 1inch aggregator and limit order protocol." Now, already live on Ethereum, Avalanche, Optimism, and other popular chains, 1inch has processed 177 billion in trading volume across 2.4 million wallets. According to its website, its move to Fantom was sparked by a surge in activity on the network. It wasn't too long ago that 1inch expanded onto layer 2 protocol Polygon, and this was done last year in May. Kruvlov said that 1inch plans to support more networks, but declined to disclose name and timelines. Now, on the subject of NFT supported to the 1inch wallet, well, users will be able to view their non-fungible tokens and information on them, as well as send NFTs to other wallets. How incredible is that? So for the last year or so, non-fungible tokens have been all the rage, and a large number of users now hold NFTs to make NFT storage and management easier, friendlier, and more efficient. The 1inch network is glad to announce that NFT support has been added to the 1inch wallet. NFT is a very promising area in blockchain space, and they want users to be able to store and manage their NFT in the most convenient and efficient way. So this support enables users to sell all NFTs held in their address, organized by collection, and view information on them. Users can also send their NFTs to other wallets. A direct link to OpenSea, the largest NFT marketplace, will enable users to buy new NFTs and immediately store them in their 1inch wallet. So that's what I like to hear. That's what I like to see, is an expanding network, allowing people to do more things with the 1inch platform. Now let's finish up on our price analysis and price prediction. So that's been going down a lot recently. In fact, since October last year, it's just been on a downward trend. It was at $5.80, but since then it's been on an absolute downward trajectory. In my personal opinion, I do think this is a good thing, because you have to consider that the cheaper you can buy these tokens is the more money you get to keep for yourself. You get to save money. Once again, this is not financial advice, it's just educational purposes, but I must just speak my mind that obviously it's quite obvious that the cheaper you can get these things for. But realistically, where can we expect 1inch to go? Well, the good news is that since around March, it's actually found a bottom. It's found a bottom, and we've found a ceiling of around $2 and a bottom of around $1.25. That's about where it is right now. So that's really good. That's what we're looking forward to. In the month of May, however, we found a lower bottom, I believe $1 flat, just around $1 flat, I'd say, and possibly even just a little bit below, but around $1 flat. That's quite significant. So realistically, we're probably looking at the lowest, maybe 80 to 90 cents. In the near future, we can definitely see this going back to $2. Possibly even in June or July. Towards the later part of the year, when we're back in a bull market, we can expect 1inch to go back to even $5. That's just based on my own assessment. So I do hope you've appreciated this video. Thank you for watching until the end. Let me know what you think about 1inch. Subscribe to see more, and of course I will see you in my next video.